All right, we are going to start this video in my bedroom. It is not that bad. Just have to kind of pick up a few things here. Here is what the kids gave my husband for Father's Day. Bunch of chocolates, all the chocolates that he loves. He has some over here. Yeah. Let's see, we have to pick up all this. That is some medicine that he was prescribed. My husband has a hurt shoulder and we don't know if he's going to need surgery. So I think by the time this video posts, we'll hopefully find out if he has to have it or not. I finally got him the shoes. I think I posted in my last video his on cloud shoes. I got him some new ones, so he's wearing his old ones to work, and then these he'll just use on his everyday. And it looks like he's already messed them up. And I literally gave this to him. Oh my gosh. I didn't even notice that. I gave this to him Father's Day. And it's already Tuesday. And he's already messed them up. Oh my gosh. Wow. But it is a horrible, horrible day outside. It's gloomy, rainy. But I wanted to go ahead and just bring you guys some motivation because honestly, you guys, I was laying in this bed up until 8 something. I decided to get up, take a shower, wash my hair, get ready for basically nothing. My husband is at work. I am off today, so I'm going to go ahead and just clean up a little bit. We had guests this weekend, so I'm going to kind of spot clean. My mom stayed in my son's room, which we will go there now, and I will show you that now. And then we also had guests stay in my stepkid's room, so let's go ahead and show you that. All right, guys, so here is my son's room. Nothing needs to be done in here. My mom changed the sheets before she left yesterday, so his room is pretty clean. Nothing to do in here except wash his clothes. And then over here, nothing major to do in here. These are all clean clothes. That is stuff that they have to put up that I normally wash and leave on their bed. So when they come back, they put up their clothes. So nothing really too major in here. Maybe spot clean a few things. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video and give y'all some instant motivation because God knows I did not have it this morning. I just wanted to stay in bed, but we're gonna go ahead and get cleaning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. My name is Carla. I feel like I have not posted in such a long time. I have been super busy at work. I work 12-hour shifts and we have been shorthanded, so I have been picking up a few shifts here and there, but I am back with another video. This was actually filmed last week. This was after the weekend. My parents and a few friends came over. They stayed over the house, so I wanted to make sure that the house was clean before I started another work week. So this is just a short, sweet video for y'all, so I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys, so I just want to show this to you really quick. This is the Jaws cleaner They actually sent me this a while back, but I'm actually trying it out now. They sent me the glass cleaner and the kitchen cleaner. So I already went ahead and filled this up, but I think here is the water line. So I need to fill it up just a little bit more. All right, so I filled it up to the water line right there. And this is a little packet. So it came in a pack of 2, but I already opened it. That way I won't have to waste time on camera. So now all I'm gonna do is, obviously we have this filled up with water. So I will stick this little container right in there, just like that. And then you take your nozzle, stick it in there, turn it, and then you're gonna hear a click. And once you hear the click, that means it's filling up, and that's it. Look how cool, you guys. Nice and blue. That's exactly what you want to see. And that's it. And then make sure you turn this on to where it says spray, and then you can go ahead and clean your glass. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the counters first, and then we're going to use this, and let's see how I like it, because I am a big Windex girl. So we'll see how this is going to work. So let's get back to cleaning. All right, you guys, and my opinion on the Jaws cleaner, it's awesome. I like it. It didn't leave any streaks, and that is what I look for in a glass cleaner. So if y'all are looking for something else other than Windex or any other glass product, Jaws is definitely the way to go. Alright, you guys, bedroom is done, so is the bathroom. I wanted to point out that there is a bag in this trash can, even though I don't need a bag in here, but I did get a few comments on my last video as to why I don't have a trash bag in there. So the reason is because we do not eat in the bedrooms. We don't bring food in here. If I do, it's maybe a bowl of grapes or things of that nature, and then I'll just take the bowl back to the kitchen. We don't eat anything that requires us to throw out, like let's say a wrapper of some sort, potato chips or ice cream or something that's going to be very sticky and just gross. This is typically just for our mail, and you can hear my dog barking outside. By the way, it got really pretty, not pretty, but the sun did come out, so it's not that bad outside at the moment. But anyways, back to this. So yeah, so I don't put any food in here. This is mainly for our mail, like you can see there and there. All that needs to be looked through, and whatever we don't need to keep goes in the trash. I do put in a trash bag if I know I have a lot of stuff on the desk, like mail and things that I haven't gone through, and I know that I'm going to just be dumping a lot of stuff in here, then I do put a trash bag. But typically I don't, because this is just for paper. So just wanted to clarify that. And then here, this is all going to stay here because this is stuff that has to go into my son's room. I bought him like an over-the-door hook. That is for the kitchen declutter makeover that I have going on. And then I have to wash those towels that I bought the other day. So this is pretty much staying the way it is, but I got all this picked up. So now we're gonna head into the living room and the kitchen, which really doesn't have a lot. I don't have a lot to do in there, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. But first, before we do that, we're going to take this to my son's room because he is coming back Sunday in a few days. So we're gonna go ahead and set that up for him.
You know we're not friends, so tell me, what are we? You know that I hate this game. You apologize, always say that you're sorry.
All right, you guys, I just love my oil diffusers. I have one in my room, I have one here in the living room. because oh my goodness, I just love the way it makes the house smell, especially on this day or this week. Like I said, we had guests over and our dog went swimming and she smelled so bad, you guys. It was horrible. So I vacuumed up this little carpet area and then I went ahead and sprinkled baking soda and I left it sitting there for about an hour and a half. Typically they say 30 minutes, but I left it for an hour and a half because oh my gosh, you guys, she loves laying. That's pretty much her area. She loves laying on that and it just smelled horrible. We had to take her to the groomers to groom her up and bathe her because it was just such a bad smell. But I did sprinkle some in the kids' room as well, but I didn't film that because I totally forgot that I did that. So I went ahead and vacuumed their rooms at night. But if you leave baking soda sitting on a carpet or, your rug, whatever, it does absorb that smell. And here I'm just baking some spaghetti squash. This is my favorite. I cooked some ground beef, or actually no, some ground turkey. And I went ahead and put some cherry tomatoes in the oven. I love cherry tomatoes. I don't like them raw. I do like them in the oven baked. I just love that softy, gushy taste. I don't know. I just love it. I'm weird. But that's what I ended up making for dinner this night.
I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, best believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, best believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. Baby, I'm the fool. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. Think before I
Y'all, that dinner was super delicious and it's super healthy. And I did forget to mention, I did change shirts because Bella was outside and she pawed my shirt. She didn't get my shorts, but she pawed my shirt. I was so upset, but that is why I changed it. It happened right before I started cooking. So this is not the next day or days later. This is the same day. She just dirtied my shirt, so I had to go ahead and change. And here I'm just putting away some laundry. It wasn't a lot. This is stuff that was wet from swimming, just some beach towels and my husband's swimsuit. And then I go ahead and finish up some more laundry, and that is it for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed this sweet, short, little video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my family.
Have the time of our lives. The night is young. Don't need any